What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Urban Armor Gear cases for iPhone 15 Pro, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of the Essential Armor case for iPhone 15 Pro by Urban Armor Gear. Reviews of rest of the Urban Armor Gear cases for iPhone 15 Pro will be uploaded on this channel as well, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So this case comes in transparent retail box from where you can have a look on the case inside. The device comes with 15 feet drop protection. There is built-in magnet for MagSafe compatibility and it is made from 50% recycled materials. So the Essential Armor case for iPhone 15 Pro comes with this nice matte finish design. It is very lightweight, very slim and sleek, and it's not going to add any bulk to your device if you use it with your iPhone 15 Pro. Another very interesting thing that is, even though it comes with a MagSafe compatible design, the MagSafe module is totally flat and the contact surface is not elevated on the back of the case in any way. So this contributes in the overall slim and sleekness of this case here. Here we got the UAG branding. You can see that we got these ridge and notches that is going to provide a nice protection to your device from the drops. On the interior you will find these hexagonal patterns that provide a nice cushioning effect if you accidentally drop your device, to provide nice drop protection. It is a patent pending technology from Urban Armor Gear, so you can be sure that your device will get a solid protection from the Essential Armor case. Compared to the rest of the body, the side is a bit soft and you can slightly squeeze it, and if you put your smartphone inside, then you can see that it is totally fitting and it is not adding any bulk to your device as it is pretty slim and lightweight. As you can see, the edges are raised to provide a nice drop protection to the display of your iPhone 15 Pro. The keys are oversized and provide very nice tactile feeling while pressing them. You got this open slot for the action button that is big enough to use it easily, as you can see here. The edges are very well protected, as you can see, to provide a nice drop protection at the bottom as well as at the top, and the same goes with the sides as well because of all of these notches and grooves we got here. So even though the Essential Armor case from Urban Armor Gear is quite slim, lightweight, it is still pretty solid and it's going to provide a very nice protection to your iPhone 15 Pro in every sense. The case is MagSafe compatible and as you can see, it is working perfectly with our iPhone 15 Pro here. So overall, the Essential Armor case for iPhone 15 Pro from Urban Armor Gear is a very nice case in every aspect, especially if you are planning to buy a case that is slim, lightweight but can still provide a solid protection to your iPhone 15 Pro. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.